Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share different recipes to help you grow your hair naturally. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very powerful hair growth mask. So I've been using this for a very long time and it's one of my go-to masks. So check it out. To begin, we're going to use fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are very potent when it comes to hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, which are essential for hair growth. They also contain flavonoids and saponins that contain anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, which are helpful in treating conditions associated with dry or irritated skin. The next ingredient we are going to be using is some flax seeds. So flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, vitamins like vitamin B and E, and also they have antioxidants and proteins which help to promote hair growth. It also helps to reduce the effects of free radicals on the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth and stronger hair follicles. Moving on, I'm going to transfer the two ingredients into a pan. That's the flax seeds and the fenugreek seeds, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So yeah, for now I'm just going to add 2 cups of water and then I'm going to stir it and then transfer it to my stove or my cooker, and you just want to cook them until they are tender. Yeah, if you don't want to cook, you can leave this overnight, like for 12 to 24 hours for it to become tender. But yeah, this is the method we're using, and now it's ready. They are both tender and have released their gel. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer them into a blender cup, and then we'll proceed to adding some more water because this thickens up very fast. So to blend that, I need to add more water just to make the process easy, and I'll just stir it up before I transfer it to my blender, and then I'll blend that up. Now I'll just go ahead and blend until I get the desired consistency. It doesn't have to be very smooth, just blend until you get to your desired consistency. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my muslin cloth to strain the mixture. Need to extract the gel. So yeah, you know that both fenugreek and flax seeds have like jelly-like consistency, and now it's very thick like I said. So we are still going to go ahead and add some water to it just to make the process easier, so we can be able to squeeze out the gel or the paste from it. So that's why I just added some water, and I'll just go ahead and squeeze that out. I'm just going to continue squeezing until there's no paste coming out of it. It's going to take a while, but this is all I'm going to do. Just squeeze until I get this. So this is how the paste looks, very thick. You can as well still dilute with some water, but I'm just going to go ahead and add some olive oil, which is very amazing for hair growth. I think I added about a tablespoon. So I just want to add that. And then moving on, I'm going to add a tablespoon of almond oil as well. Almond oil can soften and strengthen your hair. It's rich in vitamin B7 or biotin. It helps to keep your hair and nails healthy and strong. It can also protect the hair from sun damage with a natural SPF of 5, which is amazing. So this is the final look of the mask. It has a lot of slip to it, and now I'll go ahead and apply that to my hair and scalp. So first off, I'm just going to spritz my hair with water. You don't want to apply it on dry hair. So yeah, I'm just going to spritz my hair with water before I proceed to applying the mask. As you can see, this mask has a lot of slip to it from the flaxseed and the fenugreek. Flaxseed has a lot of gel. Fenugreek too has some slip to it, even though that of flaxseed is more. So this gives it a lot of slip, and it helps to really detangle your hair. So it's a very great detangler. It also nourishes the hair. Some of the benefits we've seen in the beginning. I'm just going to go ahead and mention some more benefits later on. But this mask is really amazing for detangling your hair, and it just makes your hair super moisturized and soft. My fingers just go through effortlessly. So yeah, like I always say, you want to make sure you apply it as well to your scalp, because these have very great nutrients that you need to penetrate your scalp or your hair shaft and all of that in order to enjoy the benefits of the product. So you want to apply to your scalp as well and to the length of your hair and just detangle. Fenugreek seeds helps to moisturize the hair. It revives damaged hair, controls hair loss. So if you have issues with your hair falling out, you want to make sure that you look into using fenugreek on your hair. It triggers hair growth as well as hair regrowth. I've experienced that. It's amazing. This is one of the ingredients that have really helped to thicken my hair. Fenugreek is an amazing ingredient for hair growth. It works as a natural conditioner. It nourishes your hair and scalp and adds shine to your hair. So fenugreek has really amazing benefits that a lot of people can testify about. So if you're not yet using fenugreek in any aspect in your hair care regimen right now, you want to consider that, and especially making this mask. You can use this once a week. It's very effective. So yeah, you can use this as your deep conditioner once a week, and you don't have to make a lot like I did. Depending on the length and volume of your hair, you want to just make a little. But if you make too much, you can as well always freeze the rest, and then you can do like reheat it when you want to use it, using like a double boiling method, and you reheat it and then just use it whenever you want to use it. So fenugreek is one magical herb that can help you achieve healthy, strong and lustrous hair. So do not sleep on it. Flax seeds as well helps to condition the hair, defines your curls, reduces frizz. It's very rich in protein and antioxidants. Some people even eat flax seeds and you still enjoy the benefits. So yeah, I don't just enjoy eating it. So this is the best way. I like to use it on my hair. It works amazingly. You can make the gel or you can blend the whole stuff like this. It's very amazing for the hair. If you want to know how to just make the gel or to just extract the gel, I have a video on that on my channel, and I'm just going to leave the link in the description box. You can check that out. It's a very simple process, a very short video, just to show you guys how you can also use that if you don't want to use this method. So yeah, this mask is so amazing, and this is how my hair is looking right now. I'm done applying and my hair feels very soft, super soft, easy to manage, and I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and hold my hair or twist my hair in sections, and then we'll continue. So guys, at this moment, if you made it to this point, I'm so grateful. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for sticking around up to this moment. If you found value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you. Anyway, I forgot. Let me just add this. This is what I do after that. Cover my hair with a plastic bag and let it sit for a while before washing it out.